Hi everyone, here we've got CUBOT X18 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's find the sound. Let's tap on it. And here, as you can see, we've got the ringtone section. We can change the ringtone for calls, and this is this option, but also for the notifications and the alarms. So let me show you how to do it using the phone ringtone. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, immediately the full list of all available ringtones just pops out. What's more, at the very top of it we've got more ringtones, so we can tap on it and we will be just transferred to our own files. So if you will have any compatible ones, for example, downloaded, then they will appear right here, for example, and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But let me get back. What's more, we've got the option none, so after choosing it, your device won't notify you about any incoming calls. So in order to listen how the particular one sounds, simply tap on it. And obviously I've got my device muted down, so okay. So as I said, after tapping on it you can listen how it sounds, and if you are happy with your choice, for example if you'd like to set this one, just make sure that it is marked like here and tap on OK. And as you can see, it is notified right here, so from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone. Obviously the same situation is with notifications and the alarms. You can change the ringtone the same way. So actually that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your CUBOT X18. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.